Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of my crochet tutorial. So if you have not seen the part 1 for my video, you can check the description box below. I have given the link. So let's continue with this beautiful table runner pattern. So here we have finished our center part for our project. So now let's make the next one. For that I am going to use this white yarn. So I'm going to join this white yarn here in this chain 3 space. So you can join it on any side. So I'm going to join this white yarn in here in the center chain 3 space. So I'm going to make a slip knot like this and join the yarn in here. I'm going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Which counts as a double crochet, and we are going to work 2 more double crochet into the same space, 1 and 2, then chain 2, so pull this little aside, then chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, 3. So this forms one end of our table runner. Then chain 2 and into this next chain 5 space we are going to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then chain 2, work 3 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3. Then again chain 2, work 3 double crochets into the next space, 1, 2, 3. So like this we will continue, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. So like this we are going to continue the same pattern all the way. So I'm going to continue all the way up to this other side of this doily here. So the other corner I'm going to continue. So here I'm at the next corner. So here is our chain 3 space. Now we are going to repeat the same that we did to the first corner. So I have made chain 2. Now I'm going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, then chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, 3. So that's our corner. Then we will repeat with the same pattern, chain 2, 3 double crochets in the next space, 1, 2, 3. Then we will repeat the same pattern and finish this round. So here I have finished this round. So let's start off with the next round. So next round is also the same. We are going to slip stitch into this chain 2 space first. So slip stitch into the next 2 stitches and slip stitch into this chain 2 space. So here we are going to do the same, chain 3, 2 double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, then chain 2, work 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2 and 3. So that's our corner. Then we will repeat the same, chain 2, work 3 double crochets into this chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3. Then again chain 2, 3 double crochets into the next space, 1, 2, 3. Then again chain 2, 3 double crochets into the next space, 1, 2 and 3. So like this we are going to repeat the same pattern like the previous round and finish this round. And also I am going to make one more round of this same pattern. So here I have finished 3 rounds of the same pattern in white yarn. So let's add 3 more rows. So next one is blue, then the next 2 will be with white yarn. So I'm going to finish 3 more rows. So here you can see I have finished total of 6 rows in the same pattern. So next we will be joining this blue yarn for the next round. So I'm going to join this in this chain 2 space corner. So I'm going to make a slip knot here and join the yarn. So chain 3 and work 2 double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, then chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, 3. So that's our corner. Then we will chain 1 and work 1 double crochet into this chain 2 space. So work 1 double crochet, then chain 1 into the next chain 2 space. We are going to repeat this corner. So work 3 double crochets, 3, then chain 2 and work 3 double crochets into the same space, 2 and 3. So like this we are going to be repeating this pattern. Then chain 1 and work 1 double crochet into the next chain 2 space, chain 1, then work 3 double crochets in the next space, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 1, work 1 double crochet into the next space, then chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next space, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, 3. Then we will repeat this same pattern around. So we will repeat the same pattern all around, and here in this corner we will be having the corner pattern as always, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. We are going to repeat the same and we are going to finish this round in here. So here you can see I have finished this round. So for the next round we are going to chain 3. So double crochet, then chain 1 and work double crochet into the next stitch. Then again chain 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space. Then chain 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets with chain 1 space. So into this double crochet we are going to work a single crochet like this. We will repeat the same pattern, 7 double crochet with chain 1 space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the space, chain 1, then again double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So we have 7 double crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with chain 1 space. Then again single crochet on top of this, double crochet, and again double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 1, then again double crochet in the stitch, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Again we have 7, then single crochet into this double crochet. So like this we are going to repeat the same pattern around and finish this round. So here I am near the end of this round. I have made the single crochet. Now I am going to make a slip stitch into the third chain. So 1, 2, 3. To the third chain I am going to make a slip stitch, chain 1, and I am going to cut off the yarn. So that's the end of this round. Here you can see I have finished this round. So it looks like this. Then we are going to be making our final round. So for the last round I am going to again use this white yarn. So here's our center. So into this first double crochet where we finished our last round, I'm going to join this white yarn. So make a slip knot and pull this through like this. And I'm going to chain 1 and make a single crochet into this chain 1 space like this. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, make a picot by making a single crochet into these 2 side loops like this. So that's our picot. Then single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 4 and make a picot like this. Single crochet into the next space. So here we are going to chain 5, 3, 4, 5 and make a picot in the same way. Then single crochet into the next space, chain 4, make a picot, then again single crochet into the next space, chain 4, then make a picot, then single crochet into the next space. So here you can see we have 5 picots. So first 2 are chain 4, then chain 5, then again 2 chain 4s. So here we are going to chain 1 and we are going to take these 2 sets and yarn over thrice, and we are going to make a front post here into this double crochet which is at the corner. So here going to insert the hook and make a front post. So pull through first 2 loops, then pull through next 2, then pull through next 2, then pull through last 2, that is 4 times. So again yarn over 3 times and we are going to make a front in this extreme end. So into this double crochet. So 4 times. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here you can see. So next I am going to chain 1 and make a single crochet between the first 2 double crochets. So here between the first 2 double crochets I am going to make a single crochet like this. Then we are going to repeat this same pattern. So we will take these 2 sets and make front posts on the extreme double crochets. So chain 4 again and make picot. Then single crochet into the next space, chain 4 and make a picot. Then single crochet into the next space, here chain 5 and make a picot. Then single crochet into the next space. Here we will chain 4 and make a picot. Then single crochet into the next space, chain 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and make a picot. Then single crochet into the next space. So here you can see 5 picots, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to make the pattern here. So chain 1, yarn over 3 times. And here we have taken these 2 sets and we will take the right corner, double crochet and make a front post and pull through 4 times. So through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's our first one. Then yarn over thrice and we will take the left corner, double crochet and make a front post. So pull 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's our pattern here. Then chain 1 and we are going to repeat the same. Single crochet between the first 2 double crochets. So like this we will repeat the same pattern. So chain 4, make a picot. Then single crochet into the next space, chain 4 and make a picot. And single crochet into the next space, chain 5, 3, 4, 5 and make a picot. Then single crochet into the next, chain 1 space, chain 4 and make a picot. And single crochet into the next, chain 1 space, chain 4 and make a picot. Then single crochet into the next space. Then we will form this pattern. Chain 1, yarn over thrice. We will pick these 2 sets and the right double crochet, make the front post. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again yarn over thrice into the left extreme double crochet, make the front post. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's our pattern, and chain 1 and we will single crochet into this place. So like this we are going to repeat this same pattern all around and I will meet you here at this end. So here I am at the end of this round. I have made the single crochet, last single crochet here. Now we will make the last pattern. So chain 1, yarn over 3 times and here I am going to pick this one and make a front post. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again yarn over 3 times. So through this left double crochet, make a front post. 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we are going to make a slip stitch on top of our first single crochet under the picot. So make a slip stitch here, then make chain 1 and I am going to cut off the yarn, pull the yarn through. So that's the end of our last round. Now I am going to hide all the yarn tails in our project. So we have lots of yarn tails here. So I am going to hide all the yarn tails. So our beautiful crochet table runner is now ready. I hope you guys like this video tutorial. So hit the like button, leave a comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.